In this tutorial, we're going to look at some of the ways to split polygons. We cover these features in more depth in the tutorials for editing field boundaries, but it should provide a sufficient introduction or review of the tools. First, we will split this yellow zone. So, activating the Split Polygon tool, we will click on the outside of the yellow zone, then double-click on the opposite side of the polygon that is to be split. We now have two zones. Grabbing the Select tool, I can highlight the West zone or the East zone. We will copy the light blue values into the right half of this polygon by clicking on a polygon with the light blue, holding down the Shift key, then selecting the zone on the right, and our values are then copied into the zones. Next, let's create a new internal polygon. To create a new internal polygon, we will use the Area Split tool. This tool will allow you to drop anchors, or vertices, while always connecting the last dropped vertex back to the original starting vertex. Here I will draw a sloppy rectangle. When I double-click, it displays my vertices, shown as red squares, and at this point, I can complete the area split by either clicking on the Area Split Close or Select tool. We now have a new internal polygon. Reactivating the Area Split tool and creating another new area, let's stop at the point where we double-click and the vertices appear. Before you hit the Area Split Stop or Select tool to complete the polygon, you can put the mouse cursor over a vertex and then click and drag the vertex to another location. If you click on a spot on the boundary line, a new vertex will appear and you can click and drag to move it. You can add and move vertices as you create your new zone. Clicking Select will then complete the zone. Now, we don't need this zone, so we'll get rid of it by simply unioning it with the larger surrounding zone.